Hello everyone. Here I am Pallavi Deshmukh. Once again welcome all of you in today's session. Estimation of BA positive as a BaSO4 is the aim of today's experiment. Apparatus which are needed for the experiment is burette, pipette, conical flask, beaker, crucible and the pair of tongue. Now the reagents. BaCl2 solution, concentrated HCl and dilute H2SO4 solution is required for the experiment. Theory behind the practical. Quantitative analysis which involves the estimation of substance by the process of weighing is known as gravimetric analysis. Barium is determined gravimetrically as a BaSO4. BaCl2 quantitatively gives a precipitate of BaSO4 on the reaction with H2SO4. This precipitate is filtered, thoroughly washed, dried, ignited and finally weighed after cooling. Theory behind the practical. Quantitative analysis which involves the estimation of substance by the process of weighing is known as gravimetric analysis. Barium is determined gravimetrically as a BaSO4. BaCl2 quantitatively gives a precipitate of BaSO4 on the reaction with H2SO4. This precipitate is filtered, thoroughly washed, dried, ignited and finally weighed after cooling. The first step is the precipitation. For that, take 10 ml of BaCl2 solution in 500 ml of the borosil beaker and add 1 to 2 ml of concentrated HCl into it. Also add the 100 ml of water. Now the role of HCl solution is to favor the maximum precipitation of BaSO4 due to the common ion effect and also prevent the hydrolysis of BaCl2. Now heat the solution to boiling and add hot dilute H2SO4 drop by drop with constant stirring as a precipitating reagent. A white precipitate of BaSO4 is formed. Then allow it to settle down. To check the completion of precipitation, add a drop of dilute H2SO4 solution to the supernatant liquid. If no precipitate or the turbidity appear even after waiting for a few minutes, the precipitation may be taken to be complete. Next step is digestion. Heat the above mixture on the water bath for about 30 to 45 minutes. This process of heating is known as digestion. During digestion, there is an increase in particle size which reduces the co-precipitation and makes the precipitate easily filterable with decrease in contamination. Now the filtration. The process of separation of precipitate from the solution is called as filtration and it is carried out by using the filter paper. Whatman filter paper number 40, 41 and 42 is generally used, but Whatman filter paper number 42 is most commonly used. Filtration is carried out as follows. Fold the circular filter paper and cone is formed. Now fit this cone in a glass funnel moist with distilled water and press it tightly to the side of the funnel. Now place the funnel on the stand and place a clean beaker below it in such a way that the lower part of the funnel touches the side of the beaker. Now transfer the clean supernatant liquid followed by the precipitate. This process is the process of filtration. Next step is washing. The precipitate is usually contaminated with the ions present in the solution. To remove these ions, wash the precipitate 3 to 4 times with the hot distilled water containing a drop of dilute H2SO4 into it. Allow washing to flow through the Whatman filter paper. Finally, wash the precipitate on the filter paper with the help of small quantity of distilled water. Now, drying. Keep the funnel in an oven maintaining the temperature 110 degrees Celsius. Water from the filter paper and precipitate get evaporated and they get dried. Drying is considered to be complete when Whatman filter paper get loosened and precipitate separates from the filter paper. Next step is ignition or incineration. After drying, remove the filter paper from the funnel and collect the precipitate on the watch glass. Now fold the filter paper with the pair of tongue and is placed in an crucible in the form of the packet. The crucible is set and inclined in a clay pipe triangle. The heating is started slowly with the small flame. The filter paper is burned completely. After the paper is burned off, the crucible is placed in an upright position and heat strongly till required. Now, cool the crucible in air. Add 1 to 2 drops of concentrated H2SO4. Heat first gently and then strongly till all the carbonaceous matter is burned off. Allow the fumes of H2SO4 to escape. This step is necessary to oxidize BAS to BaSO4 because BAS might be formed during the incineration due to the reduction of BaSO4 by carbon present in the filter paper. Now, cool the crucible and transfer all the precipitate from watch glass to the crucible. Last step is weighing. Heat the crucible strongly for half an hour, cool it in air and then in desiccator at room temperature and weight it carefully. Repeat the process of heating, cooling and weighing till the constant weight of crucible is obtained. The observations and calculations. 17.48 gram is the weight of empty crucible. Weight of empty crucible plus BaSO4 is 18.08 gram. So the weight of BaSO4 is 0.6 gram. Now the molecular weight of BaCl2 is 244.36 gram. Molecular weight of BaSO4 is 233.42 gram and the atomic weight of Ba is 137.36 gram. So, the weight of BaSO4 obtained from 10 ml of the given solution is equal to W gram. 233.42 gram of BaSO4 is equal to 137.36 gram of Ba dipositive. So, the W gram of BaSO4 is equal to atomic mass of Ba dipositive into weight of BaSO4 taken divided by molecular weight of BaSO4. It gives W2 gram of Ba dipositive, that is 0.35 gram of Ba dipositive. Lastly, the result. The amount of Ba dipositive present in the given solution was found to be 0.35 gram. Thank you so much.